Okay, so there are two ways of making structures in LaTeX. The main one is to have a simple one with numbers, like for instance a section. So let's call this the equations section, and then I will label it because I don't want to have a section without a label. And then there will be some text here. But after that, I can have another section, but here you can see there's a star, the new equations. I can also label this, so section new equations, and then some text here. So then let us first take a look at the PDF. Okay, so the first one has numbers because it's a usual normal section, but the second one, which has a star here, does not have any numbers here. So this happens when you want to have a section, but you don't feel like you want to refer to it in future, or it's not that important, you just want it to be apart from the other text. So you want a new part, a new area for your new text. But you don't need to refer to this in future. So you use this star, and then you don't get any numbers here. Okay, so let me show you what would happen in the table of contents. So I make a PDF, and then even in the table of contents, of course, you don't see this because there's no number. And you only see section 1 here. Okay, now let's see what will happen if we want to refer to these different sections. So I will make a new section, the reference, and then here I would like to refer to section. Okay, so the first one, which is this one. Remember that 2 backslashes will put you in a new line. So then let me refer to section new equations. This is the one with the star. Okay, let's make a PDF and then see what happens. So as you can see here, the first one, which was a usual section, has a number here, and you can also see it in the table of contents. However, the second one, which had a star, is not given here because there was no number for this. So LaTeX supposes this to be a section which you don't really want to refer to in future. And then I made another section here, the reference that you can see here. Then I say I would like to refer to section equations, which is a normal one and has a number, and then let me refer to section new equations. But as you can see here, because it is the one with the star, I cannot refer to this, and it is considered to be a part of the last section. So it will be automatically considered to be a part of the last section without a star. So you have to be careful. If you want to refer to something, you have to give it a number.